On any job site, organizing information is critical for smooth operations. While the traditional marker has served us well, it's time to neaten up. Introducing the P1L Tagger Construction Printer by Recon Tools. The P1L Tagger is a portable printer that seamlessly allows you to organize and label anything on the construction site. Automatically generate QR code labels for everything, from materials to locations to issue tracking. Labels can be linked to any web address or file location. The P1L is a rugged battery-powered tool and connects over Bluetooth directly to the ROCK Jobsite App, leveraging several integrated utilities. Labels come in a variety of sizes and colors to match what is being printed. Whether you are sharing a set of drawings, highlighting an issue, or handing a stack of materials off to be installed, the P1L has you covered, ensuring your project is well organized, one label at a time. Recon Tools, built on digital.